Hello everyone, welcome back to I Learn Smart Word, English 6, Unit 10, Cities Around the World. Do you remember what did we learn last time? We learned some adjectives that used to talk about the features of cities, and in the workbook, we do the exercise that we have to use the superlative forms of the adjective to describe the features of cities around the world. So now, before we start our today's lesson, Lesson 3.2, Student Book, page number 85. Let's play a game to review the vocabulary that we have learned in the previous lesson. Okay, and the game is called Spinning Wheels. I will spin the wheel and the picture will show up. Then you have to answer the questions. What is the word? And you have to spell the word. Và ở cái trò chơi này, cô sẽ xoay cái bánh xe. Sau đó cái hình nó sẽ hiện ra. Thì các bạn phải nhanh chóng nói được cái từ vựng đó là gì. Và các bạn phải đánh vần cái từ vựng đó. Okay, are you ready? The first one. So what is the word, everyone? Very good. It is clean. How do you spell clean? C-L-E-A-N. Very good. Now the second one. So what is the word, everyone? Very good. It is polluted. How do you spell polluted? Very good. P-O-L-L-U-T-E-D. Excellent. Now, the next one. What is the word, everyone? Very good. It is temperature. How do you spell temperature? T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Excellent. And the next one, what do we have? Let's see. Okay, this one is cheap. How do you spell cheap? C-H-E-A-P. Excellent. Let's see. The next one, what is it? Alright. What is the word, everyone? Very good. Expensive. How do you spell expensive? E-X-P-E-N-S-I-V-E. Excellent. And the last one. So, what is the word, everyone? Yes, it is populated. How do you spell populated? P-O-P-U-L-A-T-E-D. Excellent, everyone. Now, let's get back to our student book, page number 85. And the first part of our today's lesson is the reading. Read the article and choose the best headline. Các bạn sẽ đọc cái bài này, sau đó các bạn sẽ chọn cái tiêu đề nào phù hợp nhất cho cái bài viết này. Ok, mình sẽ có là Hanoi's Beautiful Landmarks, Hanoi Travel Guide, or number 3, Hanoi's Rich History. Now first, let's read together. Tom Blake, June 15th. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam. Over 8 million people live in Hanoi, and it is the second most populated city in the country. The weather is not as hot as in the south, and the coolest time of the year is from September to November. This is one of the best times to visit. Hanoi is one of the oldest cities in Vietnam and has a long and interesting history. You can see many beautiful traditional Vietnamese and French buildings around the capital. Hanoi also has the most universities in Vietnam, and you will find students from around the country studying there. Although some restaurants are expensive in Hanoi, you can eat great food for a good price. You should definitely visit Hanoi when you come to Vietnam. As of 2019. Now I give you 4 more minutes to read the text again and choose the best headline for the article. 4 minutes start. Time's up, everyone. So, which one do you choose, everyone? The answer is 2. Hanoi Travel Guide. And how do we know the answer? Ở trong cái bài này nó nói về cái gì đây nhỉ? Thứ nhất, nó giới thiệu về Hà Nội nè. The size, the populations in Hanoi, the weather in Hanoi, and when is the best time to visit Hanoi. What is special about Hanoi? Có cái gì đặc biệt về Hà Nội? What can you see in Hanoi? And what can you eat in Hanoi? Và câu cuối cùng nó khuyên chúng ta là you should definitely visit Hanoi when you come to Vietnam. Okay, now everyone, let's read again and then you do exercise B in your textbook. I give you 4 more minutes to do this exercise. Alright, time's up, everyone. Now, for the second questions. When should you visit Hanoi? And your answer is from September to November. Okay, and where can we find the answer? Very good, it's here. You can see this sentence. The weather is not as hot as in the south, and the coolest time of the year is from September to November. This is one of the best times to visit. Đây là một trong những thời điểm tốt nhất để mà đi du lịch Hà Nội. Okay, so it must be from September to November. Number 3, the question is, what styles of buildings can you see in Hanoi? Ở Hà Nội chúng ta có thể thấy các tòa nhà có phong cách kiến trúc như thế nào? What is your answer, everyone? Very good. We can see traditional Vietnamese and French. And where can you find the answer? Excellent. It's here, this sentence. You can see many beautiful traditional Vietnamese and French buildings around the capital. Đúng không? Very good. And number 4. Are all restaurants expensive in Hanoi? So what is your answer, everyone? No, they aren't. Không phải tất cả các nhà hàng đều mắc, chỉ có một vài nhà hàng là mắc thôi ha, mình có thể tìm được đáp án ở đây. Although some restaurants are expensive, you can eat great food for a good price. Mặc dù có một vài nhà hàng thì rất là đắt đỏ ở Hà Nội, nhưng bạn vẫn có thể ăn những món ăn rất là ngon với một cái giá rất là tốt. So everyone, do you have all the correct answer? Now, I will let you read again and you try to remember all the detail in the text. Then I will turn off the screen and you have to answer my questions. And you only have 10 seconds to answer each question. Bây giờ cô sẽ cho các bạn đọc lại một lần nữa. Sau đó các bạn sẽ cố gắng nhớ tất cả các chi tiết ở trong bài. Sau đó cô sẽ tắt cái màn hình đi. Sau đó cô sẽ hỏi câu hỏi. Và các bạn chỉ có 10 giây để trả lời cho mỗi câu hỏi thôi nhé. Cô sẽ cho các bạn 2 phút để đọc lại nhé. Okay, time's up, everyone. Now let's start the activity. I'll turn off the screen and you have to answer my questions, okay? And the first question is, what is the capital of Vietnam? Very good. It is Hanoi City, right? Number 2, is Hanoi the first most populated city in Vietnam? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Yes or no? Very good. The answer is no, it isn't. It is the second most populated city. Alright? Number 3. What's the weather like in Hanoi from September to November? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding. Okay, and the answer is from September to November. It is the coolest time of the year. Alright. Number 4. Why do we call Hanoi is one of the oldest city in Vietnam? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, everyone. So what is your answer? Very good. The answer must be because it's had a long and interesting history. Alright. And the next question is, what can you see in Hanoi? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up! And what is your answer? And the answer is, we can see a lot of beautiful traditional Vietnamese and French buildings. And the last question is, can we have great food with a good price in Hanoi? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding! And the answer is, yes, we can. Okay everyone, do you have all the correct answer? Excellent! Now, let's move to the next part of our today's lesson. And the next part of our today's lesson is the speaking cities around the world. You have to look at the table and compare the cities using superlative and comparative adjective. Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ có một cái bảng này, so sánh về size, về population, average temperature, pollution level or cost of living index ở các thành phố là Cape Town, South Africa, Tokyo, Japan, London, the UK và Đà Nẵng, Việt Nam. Thì các bạn sẽ nhìn vào cái bảng số liệu này, sau đó chúng ta sẽ đặt câu và sử dụng so sánh hơn hoặc so sánh nhất để so sánh giữa các thành phố với nhau. Okay. Now, for example, you may have Tokyo is the most expensive city. Tại sao mình nhìn vô cái gì đây? Cost of living index thì ở Tokyo là cao nhất. Được chưa? Thì chúng ta sẽ nói là Tokyo là the most expensive city. So, what is the cheapest city? Right, very good. Da Nang is the cheapest city. Okay. Now, can you compare between Cape Town City and London about the size? Đúng rồi, nếu mình so sánh giữa Cape Town và London thì mình sẽ đặt câu là gì đấy các bạn? Very good. We have Cape Town is bigger than London. Alright. Can you compare the population in Tokyo and Da Nang? You have 5 seconds. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, everyone. Now, can you tell me the answer? Very good. You may say, Tokyo is more populated than Da Nang. Alright. Okay, how about the temperature? Which cities has the highest temperature? Excellent. You may say, Da Nang has the highest temperature. Alright. Or you may say, Da Nang is the hottest city. So can you tell me, which is the coldest city? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So the answer is London, right? So you may say, London is the coldest city. Now, how about the pollution level? Which city is the most polluted? Or which city is the dirtiest? Very good. It is Da Nang City. So you may say, Da Nang is the dirtiest city. Or Da Nang is the most polluted city. Okay. And which is the cleanest city? Very good. The answer is Cape Town. So how do you say? Cape Town is the cleanest city. Or you may say, Cape Town is the least polluted city. Alright. Can you make a sentence to compare the cost of living index in Tokyo and London? Very good. The answer is Tokyo is more expensive than London. Alright, everyone. Now, in exercise B, you have to compare your city with the cities in the table. So where do you live? Bài B, các bạn sẽ nói về thành phố của mình và các bạn sẽ so sánh những cái thông tin của thành phố của mình với lại các thành phố Cape Town, Tokyo, London và Đà Nẵng nhé. Now, let's move to the next part of our today lesson. And the last part of our today lesson is the writing. Write a paragraph about Seoul using the note or city you know. Write 50 to 60 words. Ở bài này, người ta yêu cầu các bạn viết một đoạn văn ngắn về thành phố Seoul bằng cách sử dụng cái ghi chú ở dưới đây hoặc một cái thành phố nào đó mà bạn biết. Bạn sẽ viết khoảng 50 đến 60 từ. Vậy, chúng ta cùng thống nhất là sẽ viết về thành phố Seoul nhé. Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ cùng đọc câu gợi ý là gì? Seoul. Where it is? South Korea, ở Hàn Quốc. It is the capital city, đúng không? Là thành phố thủ đô. Most populated in South Korea. Chỗ này bạn sẽ đặt câu bằng cách sử dụng so sánh nhất. The next one is about the weather. Hot summers and cold winters. Ở Seoul thì sẽ có những mùa hè nóng bức và những mùa đông thì lạnh giá. Famous for, nổi tiếng về cái gì? Thì chỗ này famous for, đứng trước tính từ mình còn một cái là động từ to be. Thì các bạn xem đặt câu như thế nào nhé. Chúng ta sẽ có là gì? Modern buildings, palaces and old houses. Và nó cũng nổi tiếng về cái việc gì nữa? Có nhiều cái shopping malls. Ok. Other interesting facts. Thành phố Seoul là home of some of the biggest companies in the world. Là nơi của một vài cái công ty lớn nhất trên thế giới. Và many South Korean actors and singers live there. Có rất nhiều diễn viên và ca sĩ Hàn Quốc thì sống ở đó. Bây giờ cô sẽ cho các bạn 10 phút để viết. Sau đó các bạn sẽ so sánh với đáp án có sẵn của cô ở đây nhé. Thumbs up, everyone. Now let's see the answer. Okay, let's read the answers together. Seoul is the capital city of South Korea. It's also the most populated city in the country. Chỗ này, mấy bạn thấy, it ở đây chính là Seoul, động từ to be là is, rồi the most populated city in the country, có nghĩa là in South Korea đó. Seoul has hot summer and cold winters. It is famous for its modern buildings. Thì ở đây bạn thấy famous là tính từ, thì trước tính từ chúng ta sẽ cần là động từ to be, và it ở đây vẫn là đang nói về thành phố Seoul. Chúng ta không muốn lặp lại chữ Seoul quá nhiều thì chúng ta sẽ có thể thay thế bằng chữ it, được chưa? There are many shopping malls in Seoul. It is also the home of some of the biggest companies in the world, and many famous South Korean actors and singers live there. Alright, everyone. Do you have the correct answer? Now, let's move to the workbook. We will do the workbook together. Let's open the workbook, page number 61. And the first exercise is also the reading. You have to read the article and choose the best headline. And in this reading, we'll read about Seoul. Number 1, Seoul's 4 seasons. Number 2, Modern Seoul. Number 3, Seoul Guide for Visitors. Ok, bây giờ chúng ta sẽ cùng đọc với nhau nhé. June Wilson, September 5th. Seoul is the capital city of South Korea. It has a population of nearly 10 million people and is the most populated city in the country. Seoul has 4 seasons. From November to March, the weather is cool with the coldest month being January. The best time to visit is from April to June. The hottest month is August. Seoul has a very long history and there are a number of city walls. These are about 2,000 years old. The downtown area of Seoul has traditional buildings like palaces and city gates, but most of the city's architecture is modern. There are excellent shopping malls in the city. Seoul National University is the most important in the country, and many students from other provinces study there. It is the most expensive city in South Korea, but it is easy to find delicious and cheap street food. You should visit Seoul when you go to South Korea. Rồi bây giờ cô sẽ cho các bạn 5 phút để đọc lại, sau đó các bạn sẽ trả lời những câu hỏi bên dưới cho cô nhé. Time's up, everyone. So number 2, when should you visit Seoul? What is the answer? Very good. We can find the answer here. The best time to visit is from April to June. Vậy chỗ này mình sẽ ghi là April to June. What old buildings can you see in Seoul? What is your answer? Very good. We can see a number of city walls. What else? Traditional buildings like palaces and city gates. Vậy mình sẽ điền chỗ này là city walls, palaces and city gates. Number 4. What is cheap to buy in Seoul? Where can we find the answer? Very good. We can find delicious and cheap street food. Vậy chỗ này mình sẽ điền vô chữ là gì? Street food. Ok. Ok, vậy ở đây sau khi đã trả lời hết những cái câu hỏi này rồi, vậy chúng ta quay lại câu A. What is this article about? Mình sẽ chọn cái headline nào là tốt nhất cho cái bài này? Đúng rồi, we must choose 3. Seoul Guide for Visitors. Okay. Now everyone, let's move to the next exercise, the writing. You look at the table and write 2 sentences about each of the following using superlative. Mình sẽ sử dụng so sánh nhất để đặt câu. Ví dụ về cái size thì Sydney is the biggest. Còn một cái nữa, nếu là biggest thì đối nghĩa với biggest mình sẽ có là gì? Smallest. Được chưa? Vậy mấy bạn nhìn cho cô coi. Which city is the smallest? Đúng rồi. Vậy câu này chúng ta sẽ ghi là gì đây? Toronto is the smallest city. Bây giờ cô sẽ cho các bạn 4 phút để làm câu 2, câu 3 và câu 4 về average temperature, pollution level và cost of living index. 4 minutes start. And 4 minutes is over, everyone. Now, let's check together. Number 2, the temperature. Mình sẽ có temperature thì mình hay dùng tính từ là gì? Hottest and coldest. Vậy chúng ta sẽ có 2 là gì? Which city is the coldest? Vậy chúng ta sẽ trả lời là sao? Toronto is the coldest city. And which city is the hottest city? Very good. The second sentence is Ho Chi Minh City is the hottest city. About pollution level. Pollution thì mình có tính từ là polluted. Vậy chỗ này chúng ta sẽ dùng so sánh nhất với tính từ dài. Chúng ta sẽ dùng the most hoặc là the least. Nào, vậy chúng ta sẽ có 2 câu là gì? Which city is the most polluted? Very good. We have the sentence is Ho Chi Minh City is the most polluted city. And the least polluted city is Toronto. So we say Toronto is the least polluted city. Okay. And cost of living index, we have the cheapest and the most expensive. So, what is the most expensive city? Toronto. So, how do we write the sentence? Toronto is the most expensive city. And the second sentence is Ho Chi Minh City is the cheapest city. Okay, everyone, do you have all the correct answer? And this is the end of our today lesson. Goodbye, everyone.